manage and coach a lot of sales reps. So we have to have metrics to understand, are we achieving our goals? And we have both lag metrics and lead metrics. And I'm sure you've heard of those before. Lag metrics are the actual number of referrals or admissions month to date, or even last month. Now, though we call those lag because you can't really impact them today, meaning it's in the past, but it is a measure of our success. And most of us get measured in that way. I would also submit to you that you want to measure the lead indicators. You do enough of the right activities, and we know that you will get referrals and you will get admissions. So a lead indicator is something like number of sales calls. And you'll hear Cheryl and I talk about that. Most of our reps, full-time reps, are doing between 40 and 50 in person or sales calls. Some of these are still remote if you need to, either for geography or maybe for COVID issues, that you're doing some of those remotes. But we traditionally ask you to do 40 to 50 in-person sales calls to your accounts. So that's a lead indicator. And then, of course, your lag indicator is how we are judged on the number of patients that we bring to referrals and then ultimately to admissions. So those are our three big ones. There's many more that you could measure, like conversions, for example, and that is something that we do take a look at. But the three big ones are number of sales calls, completed sales calls documented. We look at the number of referrals coming in and ultimately the number of admissions that you were able to serve. Hope that helps as you go out into the world. We teach this at the High Performance Sales Academy and so much more. If you'd like to learn more about it, you're welcome to email Mike at Home Care Sales, and he can help walk you through it.